My dear, the world is small. We live on a small planet in this gigantic universe. We are on a minor planet of an infinite galaxies. You and I are just 1 billion of people here. Are the problems we face as we walk through our days really so big? A question I sometimes ask myself when I'm struggling. Will this matter to me or someone, or will this matter a year from now? Life is short and the world is small. So be happy and be grateful for this life. Focus on yourself and fulfill the purpose of your life. My dear, just smile and laugh more. Why are you lost? Why are you struggling so much? My dear, I just want to tell you that pay attention to your life. Reflect on what you want. Engage in life. Life will return what you give it. And take actions and chase your dreams. The world is small, so your problems too. Just start to view that problem from a very high place. Why are you wasting your time focusing on that problem? Dear, focus on the solution. As I said, life is too short. We all end up as dust. The big truth of life is this. So be grateful and have some fun.